Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of converting 7 gallons to liters. Are you looking to convert 7 gallons to liters but aren't quite sure how to do it? Don't worry, it's an easy conversion that can be done in just a few steps. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step and provide examples to help you master this skill. First, let's recall the conversion factor. 1 gallon is approximately equal to 3.78541 liters. To convert gallons to liters, simply multiply the number of gallons by this conversion factor. For instance, suppose you have 7 gallons of milk to convert to liters. By multiplying 7 by 3.78541, you'll find it equals approximately 26.49887 liters. That's it. Your 7 gallons of milk translate to approximately 26.49887 liters. But what if you want to convert 7 liters of gasoline into gallons? No problem. To convert liters to gallons, divide the number of liters by the conversion factor of 3.78541. Let's say you have 7 liters of gasoline. Dividing by 3.78541 gives approximately 1.84921 gallons. Remember to round to the nearest hundredth, so your final answer is approximately 1.85 gallons. There you have it. Converting 7 gallons to liters and vice versa is a breeze once you grasp the conversion factor. With a bit of practice, you'll master the art of switching between gallons and liters. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. For more conversion tips and tricks, subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.